Everyone knows the sounds of a street. But few streets have a sound of their own. An unmistakable harmony of life unfolding at different tempos. It's the sound of a city waking up. The steady buzz of commitment.
I love it.
And the endless mms heard around the table at lunch. It's the quiet gasp released just before stomping a new trick. And the deafening screams from fans in the wee hours of the morning. It's everything all at once, weaving together into a crescendo that lays wake to the idea that this is just another street.
Because it's not. It's more than a street. This is Colfax.